So right there and right there is where our key switch stuff's going to go. Hopefully, see, arm one worth that. No, it shouldn't. It's going to be tight. Last thing I want to do, I mean, if I do this, I'll probably hit the switches, but like just driving it regular, I don't think it's going to interfere. It'll be placed up like this with the bottom pans in it. So I think we cleared it. I'll try it out. If I don't like it, then I can always, I don't want to drill holes in the plastic, but I might have to. That's what most people do with the electric start kits. I want to put a key switch, electric start switch, and a Tonko switch for the lights up here that I'm putting on. So I might have to drill some holes in that. Don't want to, might have to. I might have to raise this up. I want to put a toolbox in here and then another auxiliary full tank here. So. The plan on the Odyssey. It's the plan. I got this piece of metal right here. I mean, there's barely any gap there. But right here is where those switches are going to go. Unless I put them right here. Lots to think about. I mean, if I put them back there, I'm going to have to turn around and hit them. But if I put them there, so I don't know. I'd have to get a key switch, a start switch, and one Tonko switch. And another one in case I want to put another Tonko switch. So 4 switches all right there if I go that route. Or I might build something into a toolbox. Because I gotta get a toolbox. I'm gonna have to make one. Put it up here. I might have to raise everything up. Or I might have to, what I could do is I could take this off and put it on the back side right here. So the switches end right here. And then I just reach my fingers in there and press them. I might try that. We got lots of options. I'll get it done. Gotta clean the work table so I can get the X380 up here because we got parts on the way from our good friends over at Reliable Aftermarket Parts. Use code N.R.T to save yourself 15% off your order, I believe, or 18%. So, yeah. Save yourself some money. Use N.R.T discount code. Help N.R.T out. And get yourself some cheap